Hello and welcome to the Prime Time News on 9 September 2008 with me, Kriti. Let's get to the headlines first. No place for Indians in Britain's IT sector. VHP and Bajrang Dal termed as terrorist organizations. CBI announces ₹1 lakh for any clue in the Arushi murder case, and Agra faces communal clashes. Now the news in detail. Britain's IT sector doesn't require technicians from India and other countries excluding Europe, whereas the Migration Advisory Committee is busy in detailing what skills are required in Britain. The Migration Advisory Committee was set up last year to execute new immigration systems, and Britain's IT sector is dominated by the Indians. Not only IT technicians, but there is also a big no-no for teachers, racehorse trainers and social workers. Moving on, CPIM Politburo member Brinda Karat called the Bajrang Dal and VHP as terrorist organizations. LJP chief Ramvilas Paswan and RJD Supremo Lalu Prasad Yadav also demanded a ban on the Hindu organizations. Following this, Karat also wrote a letter to the Union Home Minister Shivraj Patil to take severe actions against the Bajrang Dal and VHP. And not only VHP and Bajrang Dal, VHP and RSS aim to create communal disturbances in the country. More news on the other side of this break. Welcome back. Twin murder case of Noida is open once again. After 90 days of the murder of Arushi and Hemraj, CBI is still unable to find the weapon used in the killing. Meanwhile, Neerja Godru, DIG of CBI, today announced ₹1 lakh for giving clue about the weapon and cell phones. CBI has also sought assistance from Nepal government. Apart from the weapon, CBI even fails to find out the blood-stained clothes. Agra faces fresh communal clashes today after a minor accident took place. Earlier on Monday night, 2 houses were set on fire and mobbed stoned. Though police forces were deployed in the sensitive areas of Mantola and Sadar Bhatti, the whole chaos started when a two-wheeler accidentally hit a woman there. She wasn't seriously injured though, but triggered off riots in parts of the city. Police used tear gas and baton charge to tame wild crowd. Well, that's all we have for you today, but do join me tomorrow at 11 AM for a special entertainment bulletin. Till then, take care and keep logging our website headlinesindia.com.